Hi, my name is Marky and this is my story. I graduated with a degree in tourism. I worked in the industry for 6 years. Yes, isa ako ng mga clients during their tours. And although I had cooking lessons back in college, I only truly discovered my love for cooking recently. I'm a self-taught home cook, pacham kind of guy. Pacham paan sa sarap. Ganun. I never had the opportunity to study professionally. So I learned on my own. Nanood ako ng mga cooking shows. I experimented in the kitchen, more on going through a lot of trial and error. And with every mistake and every small success, mas na-inlove ako dun sa ginagawa ko. I started a small home-based shawarma business before, and now I help my partner run a small cafe. And every time na nandun ako sa kitchen, it doesn't feel like work. It feels like dun talaga ako nababagay. What I love most about cooking is how food connects people. A simple dish can bring people together, make them smile, and create moments they remember. Especially when I cook for my loved ones. And for me, that means everything. Pag may nagsasabi na masarap yung luto ko, it's more than just a compliment eh. It pushes me to improve, to create more, and to become better every single day. But I know I still have so much to learn, and I want to understand the proper techniques, the discipline, and the strong foundation it takes to become a real chef. And I'm ready for that. Yung opportunity na to is not just a chance for me. It is something that I am willing to work hard for every single day. I'm ready to learn, to be challenged, and to grow. My dream is to become a professional chef, and hopefully someday, open my own restaurant where every dish has heart, meaning, and story. I may not have started in a professional kitchen, but I have the passion, the drive, and the love for food. And I am ready to turn that passion into something greater. This is my dream, and this is Margie. Thank you, CCA, Chef JP, and Ma'am Camille for this opportunity. I hope to see you guys very soon, and I hope mapili po ako. Salamat po ng madami. Bye!